Our last example for this lesson is about the residuals. So here we go. The table shows the average price of a 10-person Thanksgiving dinner from 2004 to 2014. Determine whether the best fit line models the data well by graphing a residual plot. All right, so we have to first start by entering the data from the table into the lists, letting 2004 be represented by 0, and the years since 2004 being the X values. And then the prices are going to be the Y values, and we're going to perform the linear regression using the data in the lists. So I'm going to pause my video really quick while I enter all of that, because you don't need to watch me do the entering part. Okay, so here I've entered all of the data into my lists. I'm going to go to Stat, Calculate, Linear Regression, and I've got my linear regression right here. Next, I'm going to turn on the plots, put on my stat plots, choosing the scatter plot menu, L1 for X's, and residual for the Y list. You can obtain the residual by pressing second list and selecting residual from the list of names. Graph the scatter plot of the residuals by pressing zoom and choosing zoom stat. The residuals appear to be randomly scattered and centered about the line. Thus, the best fit line seems to model the data well. Okay, so first thing I've got to do is I got to turn on my stat plots. And my X list is going to be L1, and my Y list is going to be residuals. So I'm going to hit second list, and it's number 7 on the names. And then I'm going to hit zoom and 9, and I get my plots. I'm going to change the size of my plots here to make it a little bit easier for you to see. I've followed those steps and I've gotten the exact same graph that is on the screen right now. So these are our residuals. These are not the points, right? This isn't 2004 and the price 35.68, 2005 36.78. These are the residuals. Okay, these are not these exact points up here. This is a scatter plot of the residuals.